What's up, everybody? Adam Garley from Garley's Garage. So I reached out to a machinist, probably hands down the best machinist. He builds the craziest parts. He's really good. I mean, in a way I was kind of like hesitant, like, I'm gonna go ahead and read. So yeah, so reached out and he never got back to me. I ended up having to go a different route. So anyways, let's get into the episode. Happy FXR Friday, everybody. It's actually Thursday right now. In the morning, it will be Friday. But loading up the bike. Headed to, you'll see. Headed out to go see a friend, see if he could help me out with a few things. I've kind of got some stuff mocked up and I want to make them look really good and professional. Not only that, got some cool stuff we're gonna do for the wheels, so let's get crack-a-lackin'.
Sorry, bro, but this show's about me.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie. That was pretty cool to see the bike come off the lift for the first time in a while, and to be able to push it. No brakes, that was scary, that kind of sucked. But other than that, that was kind of cool to push the bike around. That's gonna be, I know, the lines and stuff like that are looking really good, so I'm excited. And yeah, let me get the rest of the parts that I'm taking with me loaded up and we'll be on our way. Gotta remember, they always tell you don't leave your fuel pump, your fuel thing going and go into the gas station and it's gonna shut off. Luckily this gentleman was nice enough to shut it off. Yep, there's my diesel. So happy 4th of July. I made the whole drive. And I'm at my machinist, not my personal machinist, but like his name is my machinist, Justin Page. So, and I know everybody's probably laughing at my outfit. Hold on, you got to check out my fit. So you're probably laughing at my outfit, but Justin makes fun of my outfits online all the time. So I had to dress as nerdy and as yuppie and as preppy as possible so that I could fit in with him. He got a phone call, so. But we're here. What he's doing is he's going to help me. Came up with some ideas that I was kind of machining some parts that didn't quite come out the way I was wanting it to. So he's like, dude, come out. Let me help you out. So took him up on his offer. And I brought the fixer to his place. And so we're making, I got blanks. Yeah. So look who showed up to join the party. It wouldn't be a party if Scott wasn't here, right?
I'm just here for this.
Nice push. Grand finale.
But I'm too.
Good morning. It's Saturday morning and 5th of July. I slept in. We went and mobbed the streets on the Groms last night. He took me all over the city on the Groms, and that was cool. Fireworks show display downtown. It was crazy, but he got up a little bit earlier than me. We both slept in just a little bit, which 9 o'clock is sleeping in. So he got up, got cracking on some stuff and machining some holes and stuff like that, and we're rocking and rolling, and it's looking good. He's killing it. I love it. So this is all fine and dandy and great and appreciating it, but if there's one thing that just drives me nuts is to just sit there and watch somebody do something for you when you're used to doing it all yourself. yeah. So oh man. But yeah, just sitting there it's weird because we were just talking. We're both people that run our own businesses and we work by ourselves all the time. So it's just awkward having somebody there. And I'm kind of like curious. So I'm following him around. I feel like every time he turns around, I'm like the Billy Madison or that one movie with the butler that just appears everywhere from Adam Sandler. But it's just crazy because I just feel like, oh, that's mine. I'll do it. Like, oh. So it's just very, very awkward. But it's getting done and he's killing it. And I can't be more appreciative than I am. So, all right, I'll go back to watching him do more work. That's just crazy. What's up, dude? Good. I'm freaking stoked. Come and look at my rotor.
What is that? Finish roads. Off of what? The other bad boy. Hold on. I bought a second one. I'm restoring a second one right now. I went up to Chicago the other day to go get it.
I forgot you picked up one.
Yeah.
And then you picked up one.
And now I got another
Then
one.
you dropped off one. So you have this one.
Now I got finisher. This one's even worse.
Is this powder or chrome?
powder? He's got a guy in Texas that's going to do it nice and buttery smooth like all his stuff.
That's California.
No, he's got a guy in Texas that does really good too.
Did he show you that car frame from California?
Yeah, he showed it to me. Made me jealous. And he wanted me to give you the sticker, by the way.
Git. It's Git.
Cat. Oh!
Isn't that cool?
I thought you weren't going chain. I
It's
thought
not
you were
chain.
big. Oh, is that for brakes?
Yeah, those are brakes.
Oh. Oh, this is the front brake. Small hole.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, he knocked it out of the park, dude. Like, it looks just like the freaking wheel.
And then what are these? Getting chromed?
Yeah. DS1 off in on Instagram. He's a machinist by trade. He hangs out with the guys over at the Chop Shop. I think it's the Chop Shop. Shit, now I'm forgetting. But like years ago, because this wheel was originally, this bike, this FXR was a wide glide. And I changed it to a narrow glide. But it had...
But these were the wheels that were on it.
Yeah, on it, yes, as a wide glide. So then he made me narrow glide, dual disc hubs.
You remember who made the wheels?
I want to say that he got them from like the Tucker Rocky Biker's Choice back in the day, the early. So it's one of those brands that they used to carry.
Yeah. It's still in good shape.
They're,
Are you getting them re-chromed, or are you just going to try to polish them out?
I'm going to polish them out and see how they look first, and if there's damage or anything,
like no bubble,
no pitting or nothing, no. Yeah. So I probably just clean it all up, and the pulley's still in good shape. They're still rounded. They're not square edged like they get. And if they ever get that way, that one company shaves those off and it puts the plastic ones in there.
Mm-hmm.
And that I've done that on American Iron horses. It gets rid of all that chirping noise and stuff like that. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed that episode. If you want to see more episodes on this FXR, go ahead and click here. It's going to show you the whole playlist of all of that. If not, YouTube has some recommendations. But don't forget to click like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Y'all have a good one. Take care. Peace, and I'm out.